Tokyo Olympics will commence from July 23rd this year, and many of the Indian athletes are already in Tokyo to get adjusted with the environment. Games are not only good opportunity for the players, but also for the brands who can sponsor athletes during their run at the mega sporting event. The Indian Olympic Association's president Narinder Batra also confirmed the information, stating that many known brands are on board with it. Edelweiss, Inox Group, and Nippon Paint are few of the brands who recently joined the Olympics sponsorship list. Amul, Raymond, and JSW Group have come on board as partners, and Raymond MPL has come out as the principal sponsor for the Indian contingent for the Olympics. Batra said that despite no kit sponsors, the team has got multiple sponsors such as SW Group, Amul, Edelweiss, Inox, and MPL Foundation. He also stressed that this year, social media will be a huge factor in promoting the Olympics in India. The IOA will be setting up 6,500 Olympics selfie points throughout the railway station across the country. We will leverage radio, print, and television to promote the event, said Batra. MPL will also be rolling out scholarship programs for budding athletes during this time. MPL will be promoting virtual gaming through which it can engage people to come to the physical venue and participate in a sporting activity.